The F-16 remains the most widely deployed combat jet. Long-range strikes and high-tech jets. In today's battlefield, air superiority is more critical than ever. With the rise of drone warfare, long-range missile strikes, and high-tech fighter jets, a nation's air force plays a pivotal role in its global influence. The 2025 rankings are in, based not just on aircraft count, but also technological edge, strategic reach, and pilot training. Number 1, United States, the undisputed Titan. Boasting 2,679 combat aircraft, the U.S. Air Force reigns supreme. With next-gen fighters like the F-35 and unmatched spending power, the U.S. leads in air technology, global reach, and operational capability. Number 2, China, rapid riser with AI edge. China has surged into second place with 1,583 combat aircraft. Heavy investment in drone systems and AI integration has elevated its air force to a central role in Beijing's military ambitions. Number 3, Russia, still formidable despite losses. Russia holds third with 1,522 aircraft, despite significant battlefield losses in Ukraine. Its air power remains anchored in the robust Sukhoi fleet, known for versatility and heavy payloads. Number 4, India, regional power on the rise. India maintains 643 combat aircraft and is pushing ahead with major modernization programs. Recent purchases and domestic development point toward long-term expansion of air dominance. Number 5, North Korea, surprisingly stocked. With 482 combat aircraft, North Korea ranks higher than many expect. While much of its fleet is outdated, it continues to upgrade select systems and train pilots intensively. Number 6, Pakistan, balanced and battle-ready. Pakistan's Air Force operates 418 aircraft, blending American F-16s with Chinese JF-17s. Its strategic posture and regular drills keep it among the world's more agile air forces. Number 7, South Korea, technologically sophisticated. With 413 combat aircraft, South Korea fields advanced fighters like the F-35 and the new KF-21. It maintains constant readiness amid ongoing threats from the north. Number 8, Saudi Arabia, high-tech arsenal. Saudi Arabia's fleet includes 364 combat aircraft, mostly advanced U.S. and European models. Massive defense budgets ensure top-tier gear and international training partnerships. Number 9, Egypt, air power of the Arab world. Egypt has 328 combat aircraft, the largest fleet in the Middle East. Modern purchases from France and Russia have diversified and strengthened its air capabilities. Number 10, Taiwan, small size, big stakes. With 285 combat aircraft, Taiwan rounds out the top 10. Ongoing tensions with China have driven major investments in air defense, making it one of the most vigilant and rapidly evolving air forces in the region. Global jet rankings. The F-16 still dominates. Across the globe, the F-16 remains the most widely deployed combat jet, with 2,084 aircraft in service, 15% of the global total. Russia's Su-27/30/34/35 flanker series comes next with 1,284 units, followed by the F-15 with 919 jets, securing third place. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in next video, buddies. Bye.